Hello and welcome to Isifundo 10 of this series. So, in Ndebele, if you want to say come, the word is vuya. Vuya, all right? So, let's learn how to use it in sentences. If you want to say I'm coming, it's ngiyabuya. Okay? Ngiyabuya is I'm coming. All right. So let me teach you some more words that you can use in with the word ngiyabuya. All right. So now is khathesi. Tomorrow ukusasa. Okay? And then later is mbye. So you want to use khathesi, kusasa and mbye together with ngiyabuya. So let's do it like this. If you wanted to say I'm coming now, it would be ngiyabuya khathesi. All right? What about I'm coming tomorrow? Ngiyabuya kusasa. I'm coming later. Ngiyabuya mbye. All right? So that's how you use it in that sense. All right? Now, you also want to be able to say, I'm coming with so and so. I'm coming with this person or that person. So, ngiyabuya lo. Okay, let's practice using that in simple sentences. You want to say, I'm coming with my sister. Ngiyabuya lo dadewethu. And then I'm coming with my brother. Ngiyabuya lo mnewethu. All right, ngiyabuya lo mnewethu. I'm coming with mom's little sister. Remember, mom's little sister is umamncane. So ngiyabuya lo mamncane. What about dad's little brother? Ngiyabuya lo bamncane. All right. Do you remember this guy from Isifundo 5? His name is Methembe, right? You want to say I'm coming with Methembe. Ngiyabuya lo Methembe. All right? And I'm here again from the same lesson. You want to say I'm coming with Nandi. Ngiyabuya lo Nandi. Angicho. So that's how you use ngiyabuya in Ndebele. Question for you. Uyabuya lo bani? All right? Uyabuya lo bani? Let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.